Hello, my name is Suhendu Das and I am your mathematics teacher at Mennata. And today I am going to teach you one of the most important topic, that is linear equation in two variables of grade 10. So we have already completed this four lectures on this topic. So we'll continue this on today as well, and we'll continue with this lecture number 5 today. So in the last class we learned how to solve by substitution method. Today we will learn about the elimination method. So what is the elimination method? First, for example, if two equations are there, 10x plus 3y is equals to 75. That is equation number 1. And the second equation, if it is given 6x minus 5y is equals to 11. That is equation number 2. So you can give the name equation number 1 and this will be equation number 2. Now first you have to make either the x and y equal. So first I am going to equal this y. So it will be 3y here, 5y here. But how you have to make it equal? So if you multiply by 5, it will be 15y. And if you multiply the equation number 2 with 3, it will be 15y. So what it will be? It will be 50x plus 15y will be equals to 575 the 375, and this will be equation number 3. And here if you multiply by 3 with equation number 2, you will get 18x minus 15y is equals to 33. Now add these two equations. This will be equation number 4. So add these two equations. If you add this, you will get plus 15y minus 15y cancel out. So 50 and 18, that is 68. 68x is equals to 408. Now what is the value of x? It will be 408 by 68. If you divide, you will get 6. So the value of x is 6. If the value of x is 6, now you can put the value of x in either equation number 1 or equation number 2. So I am putting the value of x in equation number 1. If in the putting the value of x is 6 in equation number 1, it will be 10 into x, that means 10 into 6 plus 3y will be equals to 75. Now 3y will be equals to 75 minus 60, that means 15. 3y is 15, so y is equals to 15 divided by 3, that will be 5. So y is 5. Now we get the value of x is 6 and value of y is 5, and these two values are the value of x and y. So this method is called the elimination method. After substitution method, we use this elimination method. Either this coefficient of x or the coefficient of y in these two equations, you have to make them equal. That is the main thing here. Then you can eliminate. Suppose in example number 2 it is given, the example number 2 it is given that 11x plus 15y plus 23 is equals to 0. That is the one equation. Another equation is 7x minus 2y minus 20 will be equals to 0. That is another equation. So how we can write this? It is 11x plus 15y will be equals to minus 23, and that should be equation number 1. And 7x minus 2y is equals to 20. That should be equation number 2. Now either you have to make the coefficient of x or coefficient of y equal. So in the last question we have make the coefficient of y equal. Now we can make this also. If 15 and 2, it will be you have to make them equal by multiplying 2 and here multiply with 15. You will get 30. Okay, so 11 into 2, that will be 22x plus 30y is equals to minus 46. That will be equation number 3. Now here if you multiply by 15 with equation number 2, you will get the fourth equation. That will be 105. 105x minus 30y is equals to 300. It should be equation number 4. Now if you add both this, you will get these two cancel. So 105 and 22, 127. So 127x will be equals to 300 minus 46, that will be 254. So now x will be 254 divided by 127. That means it will be 2. So the value of x is 2. Now the value of x is 2, you can put in any equation. So I am now putting the value of x, putting in equation number 2. If you put the value in equation number 2, what you will get? So 7 into x, that means 7 into 2, 14, minus 2y will be 20. So here 2y will be 14 minus 20, that means minus 6. So y will be minus 3. So the x is 2 and y is equals to minus 3. So these are the values of x and y. Now if these equations are given in the form of decimal number, what you will be the answer and what will be the method to follow? The same. For example, in equation number 3, example number 3, it is given that first equation, it is 0.4x minus 1.5y is equals to 6.5. That is equation number first. You can give the equation number 1, and then it is given 0.3x plus 0.2y is equals to 0.9. That will be equation number 2. If it is given, how to make them? Very easy. So what we can write here, that will be 4x by 10 minus 15y by 10 is equals to 65 by 10. So that means we can say here 4x minus 15y will be equals to 65. So instead of this, you can write this will be the equation number 1 because it is the purest form. So this will be equation number 1, and instead of this we can make into the proper form. So that will be 3x by 10 plus 2y by 10 is equals to 9 by 10. So from here we can say 3x plus 2y will be equals to 9, and that should be equation number 2. Now first in the last two questions we make the coefficient of y equal. Now we will just convert this equation x equal. So multiply by 3 and multiply by 4. It will be 12x minus 45y is equals to 195. Now here this will be equation number 3, and in the equation number 4 it will be 12x plus 8y is equals to 36. Now you can do one thing, that subtract it. So when you subtract it, so we subtract equation number 4 from equation number 3. If you subtract this, what you will get? Just subtract, change the sign, change the sign. So plus 12x, now it is minus 12x, cancel out. 45 and 8, what will be the answer? So it is now minus 8y, and it is already minus 15y, 45y. 53y is equals to 195 minus 36. that will be 159. Minus 53y is equals to 159. Y will be equals to 159 by 53 negative. So it will be minus 3. So y will be minus 3. Now you can find the value of x by putting the value of y is minus 3 in any equation. So now by putting the value of y is equals to minus 3 in any of the equation, so I am putting it in equation number 2. If you putting this in equation number 2, what you will get? 3x plus 2y, that means plus 2 into minus 3, that will be minus 6 is equals to 9. So 3x will be equals to 9 plus 6, 15. X will be equals to 5. Now y is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 5. This is the values of x and y, and you have to solve in this way. Next, in example number 4, if this kind of examples are there, so if it is given solve for x and y, if 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 8 and 6 by x minus 4y is equals to minus 5. Okay. So first here you have to assume this. So what we have to assume, that is you can write this 4 into 1 by x and it is 6 into 1 by x. So first you have to assume that 1 by x is equals to u. Then what you will get from here, so it will be 4 into 1 by x, that means 4 into u. So 4u plus 3y is equals to 8. That will be your equation number 1. Now here 6x 6 by x, that means 6 into 1 by x. So 6 into 1 by x means 1 by x means u. So 6u minus 4y will be equals to minus 5. That will be equation number 2. Now do one thing, make them equal. So the coefficient of y, you can make them equal. So multiply by 4 and multiply by 3. So here it will be 16u plus 12y is equals to 32. 18u minus 12y is equals to minus 15. Now you can, it will be equation number 4, equation number 3, and this will be equation number 4. Now do one thing, if you add this cancelled out. 34u is equals to 17. So u will be 17 by 34, that will be 1 by 2. U is equals to 1 by 2. And you know what is u? U means actually 1 by x. So 1 by x is equals to 1 by 2. So from here you can say x is equals to. Now putting the value of x in this equation, that is x by 4 plus 3y is equals to 8 here. Okay, so x is 2, so 2 by 4, that means 1 by 2, plus 3y will be equals to 8. So 3y will be equals to 8 minus 1 by 2. X is 2. So here you can get the values. So x by 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 8. So putting the value x by 4, that is 2 by 4, that means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. It will be, you can write 2 by 4 first, then you can write it this way. So it will be first putting the value here, 2 by 4. That means it will be 1 by 2. So 3y will be equals to 16 minus 1, 15 by 2. So y will be equals to 15 by 6. So it will be 3, 5 is a 3, 2 is. So y will be 5 by Now in the example, next example, example number 6, example number, I think it will be 7. So in the example number 7, suppose it is given 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13, and the second equation 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. These two are the equations. So now you can assume that 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v. So 2 into 1 by x, that means 2 into u, that is 2u, plus 3 into 1 by y, that is 3v is equals to 13. And that should be your equation number 1. Now 5 by x means 5 into 1 by x, that is 5u, minus 4 by y, that means 4 into 1 by y, that means 4b is equals to minus 2. That will be equation number 2. Now multiply with 3 and multiply with 4. First you need to make the coefficient of v equal and doing this. So here 8u plus 12v is equals to 52. 15u minus 12v is equals to minus 6. Now cancel them and it should be equation number 3 and it should be equation number 4. If you add both this, you will get 23u will be equals to 46. Now v will be 46 by 23, that means 2. U will be 2. Now here put the value. Now putting the value of u, in equation number 1. So 2u, that means 2 into 2, plus 3b is equals to 13. So 3b will be equals to 13 minus 4, that will be 9. So 3v is 9, so v is equals to 3. Now you know that u is 2, that means what is u? That is 1 by x. 1 by x is 2, that means x is equals to 1 by 2. Now v is 3. If v is 3, v is 1 by y. So 1 by y is equals to 3. That means y will be equals to 1 by 3. So x is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to 1 by 3. These two are the values of this. Now we will continue this kind of example with example number 8. Now it is given 1 by 2x minus 1 by y is equals to minus 1. That is the first equation. And the 1 by x plus 1 by 2y is equals to 8. That is equation number 2. Now by putting or assuming that 1 by x is equals to u and 1 by y is equals to v. So here in the first equation it will be 1 by 2 1 by x into 1 by 2, that means it will be u by 2 minus 1 by y, that is v, is equals to minus 4. So that means here you can say 2 is a LCM. So u minus 2v by 2 is equals to minus 1. So u minus 2v is equals to minus 2. That is equation number 1. Now in the second equation 1 by x is u. So u plus 1 by 2v is equals to 8. So now, oh sorry, it will be v by 2. So v into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by y. 1 by y is v, so v by 2. So 2 is the LCM. So 2u plus v by 2 is equals to 8. So 2u plus v is equals to 16. That will be equation number 2. Now multiply this with 2, multiply with 1. What you will get? 2u minus 2v is equals to minus 2. So 4u plus 2v is equals to 32. Now it will be equation number 3 and it will be equation number 4. Now if you add this minus 2v plus 2v, it is cancelled. So here 6u will be equals to 30. u will be equals to 30 by 6, that means 5. U is equals to 5. Now putting the value of u, now putting the value of 5 is equals to u is equals to 5 in equation number 1. If you put the value, u is 5, so 5 minus 2v is equals to minus 2. So here 2v is equals to 5 plus 2, that is u is equals to 5, u is equals to 6. Let's check this. That is a return here, that is be u into 1, that will be u, so it will be 5u. So it will be 5u. 5u is equals to 30, so u is equals to 6. So now u is equals to 6. So here put the values, u is equals to 6, not 5. So if u is equals to 6, now put the value here. 6 minus 2b is equals to minus 2. So 2b is equals to 6 and 2, that will be 8. So here 2v is equals to 8. Now from here we can say v is equals to 4. Now u is equals to 6, but we need to find the value of x. So that means u means 1 by x. 1 by x is equals to 6. So x will be 1 by 6. And v is equals to 4. So v means 1 by y. 1 by y is equals to 4. Y will be 1 by 4. So these are the values. So x is equals to 1 by 6. Y is equals to 1 by 4. These are the values of these equations. So now coming to the revision section. So first we learned how to use elimination method to find the value if two equations are there. How to find the value of the variables. So the first equation and second equation is there. So first, in the first equation, just you need to make one coefficient equal. So I am taking the coefficient of y, that is 3 in the first equation, and this is minus 5 in the second equation. If you multiply 5 the first equation, if you multiply 3 with the second equation, you will get the y, it will be 15. So that is 15y. So 50x plus 15y is 375, and 18x minus 15y, it will be 33. After calculating, you will get x is 6, and putting the value of x in any of the equation 1 or 2, you will get the value y is 5. Example number 2. Example number 3, when it is in the decimal, first convert into fraction and then calculate, you will get the equation is like this: 4x minus 15y is equals to 65, 3x plus 2y is equals to 9. Now the same method you have to follow and you will get the answer x and y. Now if this kind of thing is there, that is 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 8, first you have to make, or you have to assume that 1 by x is equals to u. Then the equation, it will be 4u plus 3y is 8, and second equation 6u minus 4y is minus 5. You first find the value of u is 1 by 2, then find the value of x is there, and putting the value of x in any of the equation, either 1 or either 2, you will get the value of y easily. Similarly, if 2 by x plus 3 by y is 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is minus 2, just assume that 1 by x is u and 1 by y is v. Why we assume? It makes it simple. So 2y plus 3b is 13 and 5u minus 4b is minus 2. After calculating, you will get u is 2, and after putting the value of u is 2 in the equation number 1, you will get v is equals to 3. So u is 2, but u is not the actual term, because we assume that u is 1 by x. That means 1 by x is 2, x is 1 by 2. Similarly, v is 3. So we assume v means actually 1 by y. 1 by y is 3, y is 1 by 3. Now in the example number, it is y. In example number 8, similar method you have to find the first assume 1 by x is u, 1 by y is v. So then first find the value of u and v, then put the value of u is 1 by x is 6, So x is 1 by 6. 1 by y is v is 4. That means 1 by y is 4. Y will be 1 by 4. I hope this method is very much familiar with you, and it will be very easy. You need some practice questions like this. So I hope you enjoyed the session. All the doubts are clear, and we will continue a new method in the next class. We will learn a new method in the next class. Thank you, everyone.